This tutorial will take a look at how to solve equations that involve fractions. So we see that c over 40 here plus 6 equals 26. Alright? This c over 40 right here is the same as c divided by 40. That's how you can read this line right here, is a divided by sign. Alright? So we'll remember that. But just like in our previous questions, first thing we're going to do is we try to isolate c. We want to get c so that it is by itself. In order to get c by itself, the first thing I'm going to have to do is I want to get rid of this plus 6 here. And in order to do that, I'm going to minus 6. If I have plus 6 minus 6, that equals 0. Whatever I do to that side, I have to do this side. So I get 26 minus 6. So now, my new question, I'm working down here, is c divided by 40 equals 20. Now because this simply means divided by, then I look at the opposite. What's the opposite of divided by? Well, I can times this side by 40. So if I have 40c divided by 40, these two 40s will cancel each other out, which is going to leave me with c all alone here. But because I times by 40 on this side, I have to balance this equation by multiplying by 40 on this side. And so what that means is 20 times 40 is 800, so I get c equaling 800. Now to verify that, I simply plug it back in to the question. I go 800 instead of c, I go 800 divided by 40 plus 6 should equal 26. And if we take a look at that, 800 divided by 40 is 20 plus 6 equals 26. And notice I'm working down here. 26 equals 26. Right? And so my ultimate answer here shows that it's balanced. So C equals $800, or, well, C equals 800, and that's the answer to that question. That's how you solve equations involving fractions.